Dear students, welcome to one more new video of social science. This video consists of important multiple choice questions which can be asked from History Unit 7 Freedom Movement. You have already watched the video of other lessons. If you want to see them again, links are given in the description. Let's begin. Vernacular Press Act was enacted by Lord Curzon, Lord Lytton, Lord Ripon, Warren Hastings. Vernacular Press Act was enacted by Lord Lytton. Option B is the correct answer. Vernacular Press Act was enacted to curb the independence of the independent press, curb the independence of speech, curb the independence of information, curb the independence of opinion. Correct answer is A. Curb the independence of the independent press. The incident that changed the direction of Indian political history was the birth of revolutionary and radicals, the birth of moderates and radicals, the establishment of the Indian National Congress, the division of Congress into two groups. The incident that changed the direction of Indian political history was the establishment of the Indian National Congress. The Indian National Congress was established in the year 1883, 1882, 1905, 1885. Correct answer is option D, 1885. The Indian National Congress established in Lahore, Mumbai, Calcutta, Madras. Correct answer is B, Mumbai. The first president of Indian National Congress was W.C. Banerjee, S.N. Banerjee, A.O. Hume, Dadabhai Naoroji. Correct answer is option A, W.C. Banerjee. The Indian National Congress was formed by W.C. Banerjee, S.N. Banerjee, A.O. Hume, Dadabhai Naoroji. The Indian National Congress was formed by A.O. Hume. Option C is the correct answer. A.O. Hume was a British Governor General, a British Governor, a retired British civil servant, a servant of East India Company. A.O. Hume was a retired British civil servant. Option C is the correct answer. Traditionally, the first 20 years of the Indian National Congress is called as the age of radicals, the age of revolutionaries, the age of moderates, the age of minors. Correct answer is option C, the age of moderates. Identify the leaders of moderates among the following: M.G. Ranade, Surendranath Banerjee, Dadabhai Naoroji. M.G. Ranade, Lal Lajpat Rai, Bala Gangadhar Tilak. M.G. Ranade, Bala Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal. M.G. Ranade, Surendranath Banerjee, Lala Lajpat Rai. Correct answer is option A, M.G. Ranade, Surendranath Banerjee, Dadabhai Naoroji. These are the important moderate leaders. The first to study the ill effects of the British rule on India were radicals, revolutionaries, moderates, Congress leaders. Correct answer is option C, moderates. Moderates were the first to study the ill effects of the British rule on India. Drain theory was propounded by radicals, revolutionaries, moderates, Congress leaders. Correct answer is moderates. The moderate leader who published books explaining the draining of Indian resources into England was W.C. Banerjee, S.N. Banerjee, A.O. Hume, Dadabhai Naoroji. Correct answer is option D, Dadabhai Naoroji. Dadabhai Naoroji was the moderate leader. He published books explaining the draining of Indian resources into England. The period of moderates is called as the age of extreme nationalism, the age of moderate nationalism, the age of nationalism, the age of liberal nationalism. The period of moderates is called as the age of liberal nationalism. Option D is the correct answer. The period between 1885 and 1905 is called as the age of radicals, revolutionaries, moderates, Congress leaders. Correct answer is moderates. Moderates were called as political beggars by radicals, revolutionaries, Muslim League, Congress leaders. Correct answer is option A, radicals. The group congressmen who criticized the soft stance of moderates are called as radicals, revolutionaries, Muslim League, Congress leader. Option is radicals. Option A is the correct answer. Identify the leaders of radicals among the following: Aurobindo Ghosh, Bipin Chandra Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, M.G. Ranade, Lala Lajpat Rai, Balagangadhar Tilak, M.G. Ranade, Balagangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, M.G. Ranade, Surendranath Banerjee, Lal Lajpat Rai. Correct answer is option A, Aurobindo Ghosh, Bipin Chandra Pal, Lal Lajpat Rai. These are the important radical leaders. Bengal was divided in the year 1885, 1911, 1905, 1906. Bengal was divided in the year 1905. Option C is the correct answer. Bengal was divided by Lord Curzon, Lord Lytton, Lord Ripon, Warren Hastings. Correct answer is option A, Lord Curzon. Lord Curzon divided Bengal. The Indians launched a Raksha Bandhan program against the partition of Bengal, the partition of Bihar, the misadministration of British, the inefficiency of the British rule. Correct answer is option A, the partition of Bengal. The Indians launched a Raksha Bandhan program against the partition of Bengal. The Bengal partition was withdrawn in the year 1909, 1910, 1911, 1912. Correct answer is option C, 1911. The partition of Bengal was withdrawn in the year 1911. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it was declared by Aurobindo Ghosh, Bala Gangadhar Tilak, Lal Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal. Correct answer is option B, Bala Gangadhar Tilak. Bala Gangadhar Tilak declared that Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Attaining complete freedom was the aim of radicals, revolutionaries, Muslim League, Congress leaders. It was the main aim of radicals. Option A is the correct answer. Ganesha, Shivaji and Durga celebrations were organized by radicals, revolutionaries, Indian National Congress, Congress leaders. Correct answer is option A, radicals. Muslim League was born in the year 1905, 1910, 1911, 1906. Muslim League was born in the year 1906. Correct answer is option D. The newspapers of Bala Gangadhar Tilak were Kesari and Maratha, Mukanayaka and Kesari, Harijan and Young India and Kesari. The newspapers of Bala Gangadhar Tilak were Kesari and Maratha. Option A is the correct answer. Gita Rahasya was written by Aurobindo Ghosh, Bala Gangadhar Tilak, Lal Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal. Correct answer is option B, Bala Gangadhar Tilak. The secret organization founded in England was Ghadar Party and Anushilan Samiti, Abhinav Bharata and Ghadar Party, Lotus and Dagger, Abhinav Bharata and Anushilan Samiti. Correct answer is option C, Lotus and Dagger. Lotus and Dagger were the secret organizations founded in England. The revolutionary organization started in USA was Ghadar Party, Abhinav Bharata, Lotus, Anushilan Samiti. Correct answer is Ghadar Party. The two important secret organizations founded in India were Ghadar Party and Anushilan Samiti, Abhinav Bharata and Ghadar Party, Lotus and Dagger, Abhinav Bharata and Anushilan Samiti. The two important secret organizations founded in India were Abhinav Bharata and Anushilan Samiti. Option D is the correct answer. The radicals leader who later became revolutionary was Aurobindo Ghosh, Bala Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal. Aurobindo Ghosh later became revolutionaries. Earlier, he was the radicals. So, the correct answer is option A, Aurobindo Ghosh.